DJ Banchan, which acquired more than 2.5 million views on YouTube. That is really huge. And here's a song for you by her named City Lights. I hope you all enjoy this song and this wonderful evening. Thank you.
Fell in love with the night sky, along with the city lights. Time would only pass by, but the beauty stays in the eyes. Cupid be sitting on the dark clouds, painting the sunset of does. Yeah, watching me, loving the lights on like a million stars I could have touched. City lights burning in the night sky. City lights make my heart go like whoa. Fell in love with the night sky, along with the city lights. Time would only pass by, but the beauty stays in the eyes. Cupid be sitting on the dark clouds, painting the sunset of dust. Yeah, watching me, loving the lights on like a million stars I could have touched. City lights burning in the night sky. City lights make my heart go like whoa.
Once again, a good evening to each and every one of you and to our lovely viewers. Before we proceed with our show, I would like to thank our sponsors, because of which the show has been going on, and hopefully it will be a successful one too. First of all, I would like to thank the Directorate of Arts and Culture, Mr. Abhinoy Lingdo of Nalari Resort, Mr. Gautam Bharali of Exom Cable Communication, Party Decorators, MB Electricals, Rekasi Channel, AV Enterprise, Radio Partner Red FM, and of course, Leilanki TV channel. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment that we have all been waiting for, to see our girls take their ramp wearing the gorgeous gowns designed by none other than Duncan himself. So let us put our hands together and welcome our first contestant, contestant number 1, Sanjeevani Sharma.
Mother is all. Mother is rhythm.
Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Good evening, everyone. Full evening. Thank you.
Sanjeevni Sharma. Let us welcome our next contestant, contestant number 2, Ms. Haralyn Karshieng.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I am Haralyn Karshieng, a young 20-year-old who's very fervent about her dreams. I am pursuing a degree in law at Northeastern Hills University. Being a legal aspirant, I want to enrich and I want to enrich and promote my indigenous culture and preserving the environment. I have a fondness for cooking since I believe that food can bring everyone together. I also believe that the greatest thing a woman can do is owning her own imperfections. Lastly, I would like to end with my favorite quote, but in Khasi. That is, Iet Yalade Bura Mikiwe, which means love yourself and respect others. Kublai Shibon and have a great evening ahead.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Ms. Haralyn Karshieng. Now, let us welcome our next contestant. Contestant number 3, Ms. Sandakini Rimbai.
A very good evening to one and all. I am Sandakini Rumbai, a 22 years old BA graduate. My hobbies include dancing and acting, and one day I'd like to produce my own films. My biggest inspiration is my mother, and when I get older, I want to be exactly like her, strong and independent. I am a person who's driven by passion and strongly believe that what you truly aspire and work hard for is what you truly achieve. Thank you and have a wonderful evening ahead.
And that was Miss Sandakini Rimbai. Up next, we have our next contestant number 4, Miss Ashwini Chetri.
Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Hello everyone, I am Ashwani Chetri, a cabin crew by profession and a social worker by heart, which makes me a member of an NGO. I live life with a positive attitude as I believe that everything happens for a reason. My smile and my quality of self-love is what gives me confidence. My motto in life is, I can, I will, I must. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Miss Ashwini Chetri. Our next contestant, our last but not the least, Miss Gargi Nandi.
Good evening, judges and everybody present here today. My name is Gargi Nandi, a 23-year-old mass communication and journalism graduate. Born and brought up in Shillong, Meghalaya, I take great pride and inspiration to be a part of this matriarchy society. About myself, I'm a model. I have been working with designers and different brands since past 2 years now. Talking about myself, I would want to say a lot of things. I have been preparing myself. I am a professionally trained singer. I am an artist. I dance well. I'm a lawn tennis player and a makeup artist. I take a lot of inspiration from my family and my friends, and they are my biggest support system. An aspiring Miss India contestant from Shillong, Meghalaya, I believe if you follow your passion, success will follow you. My family is my biggest inspiration, and I do whatever I do in my life, I do to make them proud of me. Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that was Miss Gargi Nandi. And I would like you to give a big round of applause to all our top 5 finalists of Miss Shillong Selfie Contest 2020. I hope you had a better look of them now since they were on the ramp. Now let's move ahead, and we have another performance by Mr. Maxter Warjiri, a singer, a songwriter, and musician who has spent 36 years of his life in music and has also performed not just in the city but across the country itself. Produced singles like the Ballad for You, recently released single Kamkai. Tonight, he will be performing his own single Ballad for You. So I hope you enjoy this one. Thank you.
and I remember you. As warm as winter sun, the echo of your smile haunts me forever. And you, the silver swan, and I, the helpless wind, lost in flames and smoke, drown in your wonder. Let us walk again down those ancient streets of cobbled memories and dreams, footprints etching stones for all to see. As I kiss the lonely tears, as I sigh away your fears, as I whisper in your ear, you are the best of me. Looking through the haze, I see you once again. The child in you replaced by sad winters with storms. Oh, let us walk again down on ancient streets of cobbled memories and dreams, footprints etching
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Miss Shillong Selfie Contest 2020, streaming live on Leilanki Cable TV channel as well as Rekasi channel on YouTube. And now we have the second round, which is the common question round. And this is a message to all the contestants that you will have only 1 minute to phrase your answers. So the question is, how do you see life after the pandemic? Once again, how do you see life after the pandemic? Time is up. Okay. So we would like each and every one of the contestants to read their answers. Okay, read from here. Oh no, we have to do this. Our first contestant who will be reading her answer is Ms. Sandakini Rimbai.
Thank you for the question, and my answer is, I think there will be a lot of rejoicing that the pandemic is over and that we can live a normal life again. But I only hope that people will not stop praying, even if it's over, because God is great beyond our illnesses and sufferings. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sandakini. Our next contestant who will be reading her answer is Ms. Gargi Nandi.
Good evening, judges and everybody. My answer is, I see life from a different perspective now. It has changed me as a person, and I discovered a lot about myself. The earth has got time to heal itself, and we millennials got a chance to be with our families. We have started appreciating life more. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gargi. Our next contestant is Ms. Sanjeevani Sharma.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for the question. I see life after the pandemic as one where the people are cautious and are prepared for any mishappening like this in the future. Fortunately, everything should get back to normal. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sanjeevani. Next contestant is Ms. Haralin Karshiying.
A very good evening. Thank you for the question. I feel like life has never been different. However, with change, we must also change. In hard times like these, we must be kind to each other and always try to be there for each other, and also practice proper hygiene. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Haralin. Last but not the least, Miss Ashwini Chetri.
A very good evening to one and all present here. Thank you for the question. My answer would be a much beautiful life with people understanding the value of family, money, and they would learn to live a healthy life because money is life, family, and health. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can we have a big round of applause for all the top 5 finalists and for their wonderful answers. So let's move on to our next performance by Miss Venetia K. Warshong. She is also a singer and a member of Aroha Junior Choir, Shillong, won the International A Cappella at the prestigious International Musical Event held in 2018. Tonight she will be performing Unstoppable for all of us. Can we have a big round of applause for Miss Venetia K. Warshong? Thank you.
It's my turn now to wave the flag, to come face to face. There's no holding back, there's no caged bird, there's no defining me. I'm running to the arms of my destiny. Every wound heals on the skin, but not the scars that lie within. The world can change what it's been. There's no difference in her and him. If you've lived my life by now, you know it ain't easy in my world to grow. If you've lived my life by now, you know it ain't easy in my world to I'm gonna rise up high, I'm gonna touch the sky, I'm gonna grow up tall, break through the wall. I've got courage in my heart, dreams in my eyes. My vision is clear, I'm unstoppable. Every wound heals on the skin, but not the scars that lie within.
hope that was mesmerizing enough. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call up on stage our very own Miss Shillong 2019, Miss Akriti Chen. Can we have a big round of applause for Miss Akriti Chen? So, Miss Akriti, it's really, really great to have you back on stage after a year. So, I just have a few questions for you. Can you just tell us how did you feel, your moment of being crowned as Miss Shillong 2019, and as well as your experience throughout the year as Miss Shillong 2019?
Good evening, everyone. I'm so glad to be here today. I feel so nostalgic. It takes me back to the day when I stood here with so much confidence and facing the world, and it made me what I am today. So, winning the title of Miss Shillong was a dream come true for me. And to be very honest, it was not a surprise when I won the title, after all the hard work and determination that I had put in. In fact, that moment portrayed the desire that I had been carrying throughout the journey of Miss Shillong, and it was like a dream come true, and I was living my dreams that day.
One last question. It's not really a question, actually. Would you just like to give a short message to our top 5 finalists of Miss Shillong Selfie Contest before the crowning moment?
I truly believe that beauty comes later, but the purpose you serve with the beauty you have is a blessing. So I would just like to say that the title you win today should not only change your life, but it should change the life of the people, of the young girls who look up to you, who get inspired by you. And because of you, it can make so much change. And there will be girls who will be standing here today just speaking like me, so proud, so confident, and so in the way to make my state, Meghalaya, proud in the national level, because I'm participating for Miss India this year, and I hope that I make my state proud. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Akriti. That was a wonderful... Okay, sure.
Not to forget, I would just like to thank the entire team of Fashion Society Shillong for giving me the opportunity to be where I am today, and my parents and all the people who have supported me throughout the journey. It makes me so proud to be standing here today, representing the face of Meghalaya. Thank you.
Thank you, Akriti. That was wonderful. It's really wonderful to have you back. And yes, let's move on to our next program. That is, we'll just have a flashback of Miss Shillong 2019 beauty pageant. And I just hope you have a glimpse, and you can just have a look. If you were not present last year, then you can surely have a look at it now. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we are all here for, the moment why you all are watching this right now, and it is finally here, that is the crowning moment of Miss Shillong Selfie Contest 2020. And for the first time, we'll be having our Miss Shillong Selfie Queen. And I would like to call up on stage all the top 5 finalists. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have our first contestant, Miss Sanjeevani Sharma. Contestant number 2, Ms. Haralyn Karshin. Ladies and gentlemen, our next contestant number 3, Ms. Sandakini Rimbai. Our next contestant number 4, Ms. Ashwini Chetri. Our last but not the least, our beautiful Miss Gargi Nandi. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are our 5 gorgeous top 5 finalists of Miss Shillong Selfie Contest 2020. And the crowning moment is finally here. I'll start with the 5th runners-up. Our 5th runners-up is Miss Sanjeevani Sharma. And to do the honors, I would like to call up on stage Miss Sana Pradhan to do the honors. She is the former Miss Shillong finalist of 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Miss Sana Pradhan. I would also like to call Sanjeevani Sharma to step forward. Our 4th runners-up is Miss Haralyn Karshin. And to do the honors, I would like to call up on stage Miss Lashintimon Karsuton. Miss Lashim Timon was the top 5 finalists of Miss Shillong 2019. And the runners-up of Miss Shillong 2020 selfie contest. The third place, in the third place we have Miss Ashwini Chetri. And to do the honors, I would like to call up on stage Miss Shillong 2019 Simran Chetri. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Simran Chetri, Miss Shillong 2019. Second runners-up. Here's a fun fact, they're actually sisters. This is actually a beautiful moment. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ashwini Chetri, our second runners-up of Miss Shillong 2020 selfie contest. And our first runners-up of Miss Shillong selfie contest 2020 is Miss Gargi Nandi. And I would like to call up on stage Miss Shillong 2019 first runners-up, Miss Sridamaya Pasa. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for Miss Sridamaya Pasa, Miss Shillong 2019 first runners-up. And of course, here we have our winner of Miss Shillong Selfie Contest 2020, Miss Sandakini Rimbai. And I would also like to call up on stage to do the honors Miss Akriti Chen, Miss Shillong 2019, as well as the reigning Miss Meghalaya 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we have our winners, and tonight, we don't have just one winner, we have all the 5 winners, and they have won our hearts. And that is for sure. And I would request all our winners, that is our second runners up as well as the first and our winner, to take the victory walk. Finally, our Miss Shillong Selfie Queen has got a sash on. I would request the first and the second runners up to join them as well.
It's the final countdown.
And ladies and gentlemen, our winners will also be awarded with cash prizes of 30,000, 20,000 for the first runners-up, and 10,000 for the second runners-up. Can we have the dummy checks, please? 30,000 for Miss Shillong Selfie Queen 2020. 20,000 for our first runners-up, Miss Shillong Selfie Queen 2020. And 10,000 for second runners-up, Miss Shillong Selfie Queen 2020. So ladies and gentlemen, this was an amazing evening for all of us, and we have our winners. Even in these trying times, we have definitely kept ourselves safe, followed the protocols, and organized and conducted a successful show. And it was with the help of the Fashion Society and of all the sponsors. Thank you so much for watching this, for your wonderful time, for spending so much time with your family. I hope you had a great evening. So thank you once again. We'll see you next year, hopefully here as our audience. But yes, definitely, this was amazing. Good night. Have a great evening. Great night. Thank you so much.